To add some keywords into your pages, what you can do is click the insert, and providing you're on HTML, you'll see there's a option called keywords. Now, keywords essentially are words that are embedded into the background of the page. So let's click on keyword, and let's say we put adventure, challenge, exciting. So you're thinking of some keywords and you click OK. Now you'll notice they've kind of disappeared. If we go into the code view of the website, though, you'll notice that they are placed at the top here. So what this is for is essentially some search engines will look at the heading within the website, and then they will basically pull out the keywords. Now you can see I've spelled adventure wrong here, so let's tidy that up. And you can kind of see there now it's put all the things that I put in a slightly different list. You could, if you wanted to, probably put them as a comma. It is your choice, but essentially you can add these in very quickly just by adding in keywords for the site.